welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Life TV. Today we have a very exciting unboxing with one of my favorite brands, Realme. If you want to see what's inside this box, keep on watching. It's Wednesday. It's already February 1. Kumusta? Medyo nagmamadali ako because gusto ko na siyang makita before the actual launch. I actually know nothing yet about this product. Let's open this box together and be surprised together. I'm super excited. Ooh, it's here. It's here. I cannot tell you a lot about it yet, but this is the Realme 10 Pro Plus. It's the Realme 10 Pro Plus. Look at it. Ta-da! Look at that. So, this is it. It's the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, which is an upgrade. My current daily driver or the phone that I use daily is the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Of course, we're always ready for an upgrade, and I'm super excited because this new phone promises to be not only gorgeous but also promises to help us display a new vision, which is so apt because it's 2023. It's only the second month of a new year and you want to look at life in another perspective. I can't say a lot about this product yet, but here are the four main features. It has a 108 MP Pro Light camera. It has a Dimensity 920 5G chip. It has a 5000 mAh battery, which is capable of a 67 watts charge. Fast charging to siya. And most important of all, the thing that I'm super excited about and I feel like a lot of people are also excited about, it has a 120 Hz display. So it's a curved vision display. What is curved vision? We will know later. This is available in two colors. The color that I got is dark matter. Take note that this one, the one that I'm holding and showing to you right now, this is actually just a demo unit. That's the box. There you go. It's finally time to open the box. Ang dami ko na naman ng sinabi. Ding! Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Let's see what's inside this. Let's embrace a new journey. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm happy because it has a jelly case. I love it when a unit comes with a jelly case because I don't have to worry about it anymore. The SIM tray ejector pin is here. Of course, the information guide is there, which I hope you guys will read because I'll definitely read it after this unboxing video. There's a quick guide as well. The product code for this phone is RMX3686. So let's put those all back inside this box. This is the unit. Before we take a look at the unit, let's see if there's anything else underneath. Well, this is the charging and data cable. USB-C, I don't know if you can see it. This is the charging head. So it's a Super VOOC charging head. It's capable of fast charging. It is capable of 67 watts of charging. Let's go to the phone. This is a demo unit. The color is called dark matter. I want to close my eyes like I do when I unbox K-pop stuff. 1, 2, 3. Tada! Ooh, the finish is so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I can see that there are 3 cameras plus of course the flash is over there. This is a nice finish, but I'm kind of scared because the camera is protruding. I don't know if you can see it because the unit itself is super thin. So it's super thin. This is 120 Hz curved vision display. As you can see, the edges are curved. There's a front-facing camera and there are 3 main cameras plus a flash. And the volume rockers are there. This is, I assume, the power button. The SIM card tray is over here. The speakers are over here, and this is where you connect the cable. The fingerprint sensor will be optical. It will be on the display. I don't know much about this yet, but it will be launching real soon. As I record this video, I don't know yet when the official launch will be, but I will flash it over here. So these are the details of the official launch. It will also be down below, and it will also be on my blog, technomaria.com, and also on diyosa.life.com. Do visit those blogs if you want to know more about the Realme 10 Pro Plus. Inside the box, you have the jelly case, the SIM ejector pin, the data and charging cable, the charging head, and of course, the phone itself. Can you see how thin? It's like super narrow, super nipis. The phone is super nipis compared to the charger. Look at that. It's super slim. It has been the quick unboxing of the Realme 10 Pro Plus. This very gorgeous dark matter phone with the 120Hz curved vision display. Of course, very important to content creators and generally all people, everybody. It has a 108MP Pro Light camera. That's super exciting to me. I'm a self-proclaimed gamer and also, of course, a content creator, which is the more serious side of things. So it's very nice that it has a Dimensity 920 5G chip. Ibig sabihin, I can play games. I can play my Mobile Legends. So I can create content in a swift manner. So I can do video editing. I can do a little bit of sound or audio editing. Image editing. Napaka-useless naman ang ating powerful phone, diba? Kung walang powerful batteries. As far as I can tell you, the current units that I use from Realme have 5000 mAh battery and capable of fast charging. Super impressive. This unit will be available in their online and physical stores really soon. The availability, the prices, more specs, the storage, the RAM, the ROM, everything and all the exciting features will be discussed during the launch of these products. Tune in to the launch. The details will be over here. It's going to be online. I assume it's going to be on the Realme Facebook page. The Realme 10 Pro will also be released on the same day as the Realme 10 Pro Plus. All the details to that one will be down below and on my blogs, technomaria.com and diyosa.life.com. I'm very excited. I will definitely be filming a lot of TikTok videos and probably some daily vlogs. If you have any suggestions on content, images, videos, and other stuff that you want me to try out with the Realme 10 Pro Plus, maybe new games that I could try, let me know. I'm very excited to try this out. If you want to know more about the Realme 10 Pro Plus, please make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'll definitely be talking more about the Realme 10 Pro Plus. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends, especially if they like gadgets and they're excited to know more about the Realme 10 Pro Plus. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Again, I have a TikTok account, Ria Jose Davao, Instagram, Ria Jose Davao, Twitter, Ria Jose, and I have 2 Facebook pages, Ria Jose Davao and Diyosa Life for my video content on Facebook. Don't forget to click on the notification bell button so you will be updated if I upload new content with the Realme 10 Pro Plus. And if you have any suggestions on how I can display a new vision with my Realme 10 Pro Plus, let me know what types of content and what types of things you want to see with me and the Realme 10 Pro Plus. Marami pong salamat. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please stay safe and healthy. Still wear a mask. Practice social distancing. Amping ang tanan. Dagang salamat kaayo. Bye everyone.